Alright, here we are on our way to pick up the caged BMW. I'm really excited to see it, and we shall see the results shortly. Badass. Oh yes. Wow. Looks pretty damn nice. So much louder in here. For some reason it feels really tall. Maybe because the seat's in the max height or something. There we go.
How the hell did they get the sucker in here?
Oh, it came in pieces and they welded it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, so they actually do the welding inside.
Yeah. It's crazy how. That's why I paid him money. I've never welded before, so didn't exactly trust my own skills. Do it myself. Otherwise, I would have considered it, but it's probably worth it to, you know, to pay someone who knows what they're doing.
Yes.
And this guy's very, very well known in the Bay Area.
I've welded, but only a couple, a couple small things.
Mm-hmm.
And no, you don't want the first time done.
Yeah, my welds probably wouldn't be as nice.
You don't want the first time to be something that that you either want looking reasonably good or betting your life on it.
Yeah. Alright, if I understand this correctly, this is how these mounts should be oriented according to this diagram / directions and photos. Make sure to get those washers underneath the bolts that came with the mounts. How hard am I supposed to tighten this? Solidly in there. Okay. Okay, I think I have officially tested out every single way to get in and out of this car. I believe I have adjusted these properly. I will tidy this up later with a zip tie so it looks nice and, you know, nice and professional, or whatever you want to call it. The cage is looking really nice, especially now that the seat's in here. Probably have to figure out what to do with these doors. Yeah, time to clean up tomorrow. Gonna be putting that steering wheel on. I do have all the hardware. And yeah, I'll feel much better driving this car now that I have proper seat belts and I'm not driving around super illegally. I tried to avoid as many dings and marks on the bar as I could, but it's gonna happen. I'll probably touch it up at some point. You know, race car stuff. Got a pretty big gash there, but you know, it happens. Oh my god, I'm loving this setup so much. This is amazing. The seat makes such a difference. Oh my god.